Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing kitchen diaries, and on today's diaries we are going to be doing simple breakfast ideas, and these are easy ideas that you can make on the go, and they are also healthy for you to start your morning with. So the first one is an easy one where you have very simple things that you can put together in minutes and you're ready to go. So I have boiled an egg, I have a cupcake, and I have an apple, and I've also fixed myself a cup of tea, and it's that easy. In minutes and you're ready to enjoy your breakfast. The second one is another of my favorite, and I'm going to be using bananas and raspberries. I'm using bananas and raspberries. So in this clip I'm going to show you how I prepare my bananas, and I just prepare the bananas, I cut them in small pieces as you are going to see in the video, and I freeze them overnight to ready to go into my grinder or food processor in the morning to just fix my breakfast smoothie. So cut your bananas, of course your ripe bananas, into bite pieces or good slices as you can see in the video. Keep them in an airtight container and then freeze them overnight, and then they are ready to be used the following morning to make a very delicious smoothie. Okay, very easy and it's very delicious. If you eat a banana in the morning, you're definitely going to be fuller for longer, and it's definitely delicious and really healthy to start your day with something of this sort. This is so easy to make because you just need to add everything in your food processor, and in minutes you already have your breakfast smoothie ready, and you're going to be happy when you enjoy this every morning. Look how delicious it is. Yum, 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 yum. Next, I'm going to be showing you my samosas. I'm able to prepare them the previous day and then freeze them in the freezer. So when I want to eat samosas, I just take a couple and deep fry them, and voila, I have my breakfast with samosas. And of course they're usually balanced, so I just make up a cup of tea or a cup of coffee and I'm ready to go. Another quick delicious breakfast you can make is to prepare porridge or to prepare oats. Yeah, and I love porridge, and this is what I'm preparing on this clip. And this is fermented porridge. It has millet, it has sorghum, it has, I know these grains in my mother tongue and I might not know all the names, and it's really delicious. A cup of porridge or a bowl of porridge in the morning just has me going wow, and definitely you're going to feel fuller for longer. So porridge is also nutritious, especially fermented porridge, because it has vitamin K, and of course it also clears your gut. So if you are in a place that you can enjoy either yogurt or things like mara, which is fermented milk, or a bowl of porridge, definitely go for it, because you are going to be grateful and your gut is going to love it. So this is my porridge. In 10 to 15 minutes it's usually ready, and I can enjoy a warm bowl of porridge and I'm happy and ready to go. Next is making sauteed potatoes, and these are just basic potatoes. I've peeled them and cut them in circles, parboiled them, and then on the pan put a little bit of oil and I'm turning them. Then I made on the side some onions, so when the potatoes are ready I just saute them and put some onion which has been sauteed earlier. And of course I'm serving them with fresh vegetables, which is spinach, a little bit of carrots, and that's a very good breakfast. And of course on the side I'm making a garlic egg, and it's simply made this way. I cut my garlic. You can use a clove or 2 cloves depending on how strong you want it to be, and then put a little bit of oil on your pan, and then just pour in or just break the egg on the pan. Make sure that it's also cooking on low heat. Keep fetching the oil and pouring onto the egg. You can spice the egg with a little bit of salt to taste and some black pepper and whatever else you like to spice your eggs, but I just use a little bit of salt, black pepper, and my egg is ready to go with my breakfast. Next, we all love well-made chapos, especially from yesterday, and we can make them breakfast items. A sure way of how I take my breakfast, especially after making chapatis the previous night, and if I can save them and eat them for later, I'm definitely going for them. Chapatis and some tea in the morning is delicious. If you want to eat it balanced, make some eggs and serve it with some curry. Sweet potatoes actually cook even faster, so if you have a bit of time you don't even need to pre-cook them. Add a bit of taste with some cheese if you love cheese, and a piece of tomato, and barbecue it together, and there you are, you are ready to serve. Yeah, very easy and really nutritious and good for your morning tea. Okay, next on my easy breakfast recipes, I'm talking about bananas. Yes, bananas, I eat them in the morning, in the evening, and they have potassium, so they are nutritious and they are nice. Eat a banana if you're grumpy and you find yourself smiling. So I always have frozen bananas in my freezer, and on this breakfast item I'm going to be making the banana cocoa smoothie. If you love coffee, you can switch it for coffee. If you like drinking chocolate, you can switch it for whatever you want to switch it to, but I'm using cocoa here, and this is unsweetened cocoa, and I'm just putting it in my grinder, and I will give this a good grind, and then I'm going to get my smoothie ready. It is our smoothie. It's also a really nice way to prepare dessert for a hot day. And if you enjoy bananas like I do and you just want to eat healthy smoothies guilty free, because these are just natural sugars and there is no additives and it's just delicious and healthy, then this is definitely something you should give a try. I hope you enjoyed this series of the breakfast items that you should try, and these are very easy to make because you can make these and be ready to leave the house or to just start your morning task in a moment. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know your feedback in the comment section and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye guys.